Wesco's MRC is a heavy-duty welded frame lightweight appliance truck that can handle loads of up to 750 pounds. It features a lock and clasp to secure appliances to the truck and replaceable rubber pads to protect cargo. Two heavy-duty stair climbers help glide the truck up and down stairs. The spring-loaded automatic belt rewind makes tightening easy, and a convenient ratchet completely secures the load. Wesco's MRC lightweight appliance truck is easy to maneuver and operate. Simply push the nose plate under the appliance, connect the lock and clasp, engage the ratchet lock, and tighten the belt to secure the load. Brake over the load and roll the appliance to position. Wesco's MRC is a heavy-duty welded frame lightweight